What up, what up, what up, what up? It's your boy, Nana, just like the number 7 in Japanese. Welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing another custom, a Nike Air Force One custom for the Okazaki Hachiban man himself, one of the fastest rising Ghanaian musicians here in Japan, C6. So not wasting much time, let's get into this video. So it's a raw black Nike Air Force One. So we are gonna do a glitter custom on this because this is shoes he's gonna be wearing on stage. So we're gonna make it luxury and make it more eye appealing and give it more swag than what Nike has already done. So let's get into this video. So basically all you're gonna need is your sneaker, glitter. I mean, I have a few of them, few colors in here. Your glue, brush, color, X-Acto knife, and sandpaper to roughen up some of the parts we are going to be working on. So that's basically all you need. And then you need alcohol to clean the shoes as well. So let's get working. Let's get working. So first, you take the laces off and then get started. So I intend doing an all black glitter custom on this, and just the Nike sign is going to be different, like red and then yellow, then red and yellow. So it's just going to be simple, but simple is the new cool. So it's going to be simple but really cool, I think. So let's get these shoes cleaned up with alcohol and then tape up the sides we don't want to touch and start working on these. So let's do the alcohol first. So I have the shoes cleaned and then taped out. So what we're going to do next is just paint the Nike sign or the swoosh signs, red and yellow on each side. So let's get that done. But before that, let's just sandpaper it a little bit. That's going to make the paint stick on the shoe properly. Yes. Now let's paint. So the reason we are painting this side is we are going to put red glitter on the black shoe. So in case like maybe some of the glitter peels off, you have the base red paint, so it's not going to be visible even when some of the glitter peels off from everyday usage and all that. That's why I'm painting the base red, because I'm going to be using the red glitter. So I'm going to do like 2 coats of this paint. The first paint, I let it dry, and then I do another coat. So now we use the heat gun to dry this up quickly. We don't want to waste the whole day waiting for the paint to dry, because we're going to do another coat and we need it quick. So the heat gun. So I have the sides painted out, red and yellow and red, so next is to apply the glue and then apply the glitter as well. So let's do that. And I'm going to be using ruby red for the red size and then gold for the yellow side. So, and the glue I'm using today's Mod Podge glue. The color is white, but then when it dries up, it's clear. So it's perfect for this type of thing or for this type of job. So let's get into this. So I've done 2 coats of this red and yellow of the Nike sign. I'm going to do one more later on, after, that's going to be the last thing I'm going to do on this shoe. So now this is very dried now. So I'm just going to tape the Nike sign and then do the rest of the shoe. That is what I'm going to do. I already cut out the shape. So I'm just going to stick it on and just put the glue on the rest of the shoes, and then we do the glitter thing. So I'm just going to paint the glue all over the remaining part of the shoe. So like I said, this sneaker is for one of the fastest rising Ghanaian or African musicians, young musicians here in Japan. He's from Ghana, very young guy, rapper actually. Okazaki Hachiban. I like that song. Okazaki Hachiban. This guy is doing so well for himself. I went to his concert a couple of weeks ago. You'll be surprised at how all the Japanese people will be singing along his songs, his rap songs. It was so cool to see such a young chap doing so great in the Japanese music scene. He's been on interviews, been on other shows. I think he has been on the Red Bull rap thing that they do. Yeah, he's really doing good. I'm so proud of him. Yeah, I've known him for quite a bit now. When he actually started, yes. C6. Hi, bye. That's one of his songs, the Okazaki Hachiban song. It's really nice. He's really doing very well. I just dropped my brush. Yeah, so this is for C6. Something to wear on stage when performing. Yeah. That is my way of, supporting what he's doing. Go stream his music. He's C6, C, the number 6, and then IX. I think that's the correct spelling, or that is how he writes his name, C6. Check him out on YouTube and all streaming platforms. Yeah. C6. Done some really good songs, some very crazy songs, and the good thing is he's Ghanaian boy living here in Japan and then doing music and rapping in Japanese. That's that's so cool. That's so cool. So I think I have the glue on all the parts that I wanted. So next is to just drop the glitter. So after that, you just get the excess of the shoes. and then dry it out. So this is the first coat. I'm going to use my heat gun to dry it a little bit, and then I do the second coat, the third coat, and then we finalize it. So we have our shoes ready. Just take off these tapes and show you the final reveal. So this is what we have. I think it came out really nice. I decided to ditch the original laces that came with the Nike and then give it the fat laces. And I wrote his name C6 at the back. So I think it came out really nice. Can't wait to see his reaction to the custom shoes I made for him. So let me know what you think about these shoes in the comment section. Glitter custom for C6. So let me know what you think in the comment section, and see you on the next one. Arigatou gozaimasu. Adios.